Hi, lovely people, welcome back to our channel. It's been again raining quite hard, and I thought of bringing you this simple and yummy recipe that we learned from a very dear friend of ours. This is just the perfect snack for a rainy day, so do try out. The ingredients for this recipe are pretty simple and readily available. So take some all-purpose flour into a bowl, and to that add some garam masala and then some paprika powder, and then you need to add the egg white. So it's a very simple process. Just ensure that the yolk doesn't fall into the bowl. So yes, so we just want the egg white. Yes, maybe you can shuffle between the two shells and separate out the yolk, just like I did here. Now give all these ingredients a good mix so that it becomes a paste. So this is actually the base. So the consistency of this paste should be a bit thick. It shouldn't be watery, so you can adjust accordingly, and then pour this over the chicken breasts that we have kept after cleaning. So just mix the paste well with the cut pieces of the chicken breast. Then to make the chili chicken, we are taking some capsicum, that is bell peppers, onion, tomatoes and ginger garlic. In a pan, first pour some oil and let it heat a bit, and then the marinated chicken, right, the chicken that I had kept for around 45 minutes marinated in the paste, I'm adding it to the hot oil, and just look at how it is literally sizzling in the oil. They are just looking yummy already. Okay, so let it cook well, turn the sides and let it become a bit crunchy and brown. So once it turns brown, you can just take this off the oil, and it's so crispy and so yum. So we actually love to eat it like this itself, but okay, we did save some for carrying on the process of making the chili chicken. Here I have cut some garlic, ginger, then onion, and then onion basically I have cut into cubes as well as small, and then I've taken half a lemon as well. And again, the bell peppers, I have cut them into squares, and same for tomatoes. And these are the fried chicken pieces that we had taken out. Now again, in a pan, heat some oil, and when the oil is heated enough, you can add in the ginger, garlic, as well as the small onions, the onions that we had cut into small pieces, right? So you can you need to add all of those, and stir fry them for some time until the onions and the ginger garlic gets cooked. And once you're sure that they get cooked, you can add the onions that were cut as squares, and keep stirring. And these ones need not be cooked much, they should retain the crunchiness, so don't allow them to get cooked much. And once they are like almost half done, you can add the tomatoes. The tomatoes will get mushy and make the base for this chili chicken. And then you can add the capsicums. So I had only the green capsicums with me. If you have the yellow as or the red capsicums, you can add them as well. And then just give them a stir. I'm adding a bit of garam masala again, and some paprika powder or the red chili powder. So adjust that according to your taste, and I'm adding a bit of pepper powder as well, and a bit of turmeric powder, and salt, of course. So after you add all these ingredients, give it a good stir. Let the raw smell of all these powders, the masalas that we have added, let that go. And once that is done, once the raw smell goes, we can add the fried chickens onto this base, and then keep stirring it. Wow, it looks yummy already, isn't it? Once after this, Once you are sure that it's all mixed well, you can add a bit of ketchup, tomato ketchup, and a bit of dark soya sauce. So you can add the soya sauce that is uh, available with you. So just give it a light stir and just switch off the flame, and yummy chili chicken is ready to serve. So this was quite yummy. Hope you like this video. Do try it out and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.